how do I say this? Don't make the universal the destroyer of the specific, which you tend to do. So you want to find, well, yes, but, and the fact that you work on it, so you try to find it, suggests you're questioning, you're looking into it. See? But I would suggest, see, sometimes people, and you're very intellectual, you're in my mind too intellectual. See? You stay in intellect, work stuff there. And there's other kinds of thinking that would make you more powerful. You see? Kind of like what I was saying, you know, with the math guy and me. You know, we're working probably math, right? See? And both work better. See? And so, and just like that. And so, like, say writing and Laura. Say me and her work good. I have the content. I know what I'm talking about. She knows writing better than I do. See? Especially for normal people. I can't write with shit for normal people. I don't know how normal people think. And I think they should understand what I'm saying here. And she knows they don't, so she tries to help bridge that gap. See, and so together, it becomes more powerful. And just like that, though, and that's two different people, but just like that in your own experience, you see, if you have more than one way of thinking, you become more powerful because they balance each other, see, or they find weaknesses in each other and stuff like that, you see. And they supply different abilities. See? So it's useful not to think of thinking as one thing, one way, which almost everybody does. See? They think one way. See? Just kind of like learning too. See? You got learning, and then there's the pedantic step-by-step learning, there's the more intuitive learning, there's the feeling-based learning, there's the rationale learning, etc. And people like learn different. There's the visual learning, there's the, you know, I don't know, other kinds of learning. Yes, sir?
So what did you tell me about the universal and the specific? Don't...
It's a little like, you know, like I came to say, don't ignore what's right in front of your face for something that's not.
Yeah.
See? I'm not saying don't grasp what's not in front of your face or even consider the matter. I'm just saying, say, don't favor always the big stuff and the you know, the real, how do I say, unbending philosophical argument, you know, that see, for something that works or something that's effective, see, or what's right in front of you. See, I have to transcend all of life, and then you kick your cat. You know what I'm saying? Get away, I'm trying to transcend all of life. See? And then you ignore it. Well, maybe it starts with kicking your cat, you know? It's like, how about working on that? Oh, no, that's mundane. You see? It just irritated me. That's nothing. I'm too special for that. See, and you ignore it. I'm not saying you're doing that. I'm just saying, see? You ignore what's right there.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Rawlinson for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.